Hi there. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy Bitcoin on the Trust Wallet app. First, you want to open the Trust Wallet app on your phone. Ensure that you are signed in to an account, and once you're in, you'll see the home screen. At the top right, you want to tap the buy option. Since we're buying Bitcoin, you want to select Bitcoin from the list. You can also choose other cryptocurrencies if needed, but for this example, we'll focus on Bitcoin. Now, enter the amount in dollars that you wish to spend. For example, if you wish to buy $50 worth of Bitcoin, you enter 50. You can adjust the amount based on your preference. Now you select the preferred third-party provider. The app might default to Mercurial, but you can choose other options as listed, depending on which offers the best rates that suit your needs. After selecting your provider, tap Next. You'll be prompted to check out using your chosen payment method, such as credit or debit card. Enter your details and proceed to checkout through the processes. Once the transaction is complete, the Bitcoin will be added to your Trust Wallet. And that's all it takes to buy Bitcoin on the Trust Wallet app. I hope this video helped. Have a great day.